And today I'm going to share with you something about the English semantic that a short introduction to the English semantics. So my name is Trần Tiến Nghị and I'm guiding you through my lecture. So the first one, we have to answer the question, so what is the semantic? So I can tell you briefly that the semantics is the branch of the linguistics that deal with the meaning. In order to understand the definition, I think that you should know what the meaning is. So this study indicates about the meaning of the meaning. It's necessary to talk about the linguistic first. Okay, so we have to talk about the linguistic here. I will color that one so you can see what is the linguistic here. So actually the linguistic containing many components, many subfields. For example, it may containing syntax, semantic, pragmatics, applied linguistic, the cognitive linguistic, and many more. But I only given you the three. One is the syntax, semantic, and pragmatic. So what include in the syntax? In the syntax, we can find the order subtract like morphology, phonology, syntax, and textual grammar. Now, we have only know about the syntax, right? Already know about the syntax. And now we have the semantic and pragmatic. And I would like to have you to distinguish between the semantic and pragmatic. The first one, the difference between the semantic and pragmatic only lies on one word, is the context. I will give you the context. When someone come up to you and say that, would you like a piece of cake? And you answer, I'm on diet. Now, let's look this one. I'm on diet. Now, focus on the answer. I'm on diet. Remember this one. If you want to know about the semantic meaning of the I on a diet, you must be include would you like a few cakes? I mean that you include it. You omit it. You don't consider about this thing. But when you want to know about the pragmatic meaning of I'm on diet, you must be include would you like a few of cake in it. Now let's see. For example, the semantic meaning of I'm on diet means that I want to lose weight by eating the food that are not rich in fat, in sugar, etc. But the pragmatic meaning of the word I'm on diet, it means that I don't want any piece of cake. I'm afraid that I have to refuse your invitation. So remember for me, the semantic meaning is context free. The pragmatic meaning is context dependent. Remember this one. I will take for you another example that maybe help you to better understanding about the semantic meaning and pragmatic meaning. For example, Tom said that, do you like the wine I pick out? And Gainer said that, it's Italian, isn't it? If I want to know about the semantic meaning of the sentence, it's Italian, isn't it? I should forget the situation. Do you like the wine I pick out? I just focus on the meaning of Italian, isn't it? So this sentence means that it is right. The wine is made in Italian. If I want to skin for the pragmatic meaning of Italian, isn't it? It means that I don't like the wine you pick out. So it includes the sentence, do you like the wine I pick out? Right? We talk about the semantic and it's possible include in English. So semantic is the technical term used to refer to the study of the meaning. Since the meaning is part of the language, so semantic is part of the linguistic. So remember this one. I mean that I tell that it's very difficult because meaning cover a variety of aspects of the language. There's no general agreement about the nature of the meaning or what aspect it may properly include in the semantic or the way in which it should be described. That is written by Farmer in 1981, page 1, and I will tell you later. So I will take for you an example of the remarriage. If I see the word remarriage at the word level, I may have the four semantic feature. Semantic feature means that nét nghĩa. So the first one, I will show you. The first one is a human. The married is the human. Only its people will know get married. Married here is you either male or female. Either. Look in mind that either male or female. So the word re include the meaning of you to be married. And the meaning of the marriage again. So at the word level, remarriage may be regarded as a set of the four following semantic features: human, either male or female, due to marriage, and married again. But when you examine the word remarriage in the sentence, see not married. See not married. See maybe include the human, female. So we just focus on remarried. So just inform that she not get married again. So in this sentence level, only the fourth semantic feature of the word remarried will be you. Right? Will you refer to? For example, at the Ucharan level, for example, how is the pastor and say he be married? We inform the situation. We inform the situation. He get married again. And he used to get married. So in that way, by the rule, getting the married implicate that the party were one married. The party here is one married. You to marry. Okay. Now, I will see you in the next lesson. Word meaning. Goodbye and see you later.